Hello, everyone. This is Katie Tolman, and this is my Final Professions app. This is my restaurant app for both a customer on mobile and a server on a tablet. So, first, I'll just walk you through both platforms and the app and design for both of them. So, for this one, this is the mobile app for the customer, and I did an Android um, software because I use an Android phone and that's something that I'm used to. So, anyways, you'll come to this site, and I wanted this app to look more kind of fancy and professional, like a kind of an upscale restaurant. So that was kind of the theme that I was going for. So here's the first sign in page once you open the app. Once you put in your credentials and you click sign in, it gives you options whether you want to make a reservation, see your receipt, either the one that you're currently on or your past one, and if you want to rate and review the restaurant. So if we were to click reservations, we could pick a table, specific table that we want inside the restaurant. We can click our date, scroll down to select a time, then we would select our time um, and continue. And then this is our confirmation that reservations have been confirmed when and both the date and the time and the table. Once we're done with that, we can come back to here. We can see our receipt. We can rate and review our experience and leave comments as well. Um, with the tablet, similar layout. The employee or the server would put in their PIN, then they would click sign in. This gives them similar options where they can either check the reservations that are made for that day or upcoming reservations, place an order for the table that they're serving, and see the receipts for the tables that they are serving. So if we were to click reservations, it would show that the customer on the mobile phone had made a reservation for this day, this time. It selected this table, which means that they're a party of 12, and they would have signed in, so it'll put their name as well. So that kind of shows a relationship between the customer and the server as far as reservations go. The server can also click order as they're at the table with the customers, and they can either say, click on the appetizers category, the salads, entrees, pastas. So for this example specifically, we'll click on pastas. Here, the server will be able to say if the customer wants it vegetarian, dairy-free, gluten-free, other requests that they have, different spice levels. If it was a meat dish, it would probably say what kind of doneness they want their meat or their steak, like medium, well, rare, whatever. There'd be a little scroll bar as well. And then you'd go on to see the full summary, what you've already put in for that order. This just counts for one person at that table. So for the next person, you click add another order, go through the same process. From there, you click how they want to pay, have them sign. Everything is right here. The last option is the receipt. You can just see the receipt and show them. The customer would also get the same receipt on their mobile device. So user testing for me in this project was really helpful as far as navigation goes and the relationship between the two apps. In my first couple drafts, a lot of my users said that they couldn't really see the direct correlation between the two when I showed them both of them, and they didn't always see the relationship between the two styles. And so I really wanted to emphasize that and make sure that the receipts were linked on both the tablet and the mobile, so both the server and the customer could see it, and show the reservations where the customer makes the reservations, but the server can easily bring it up. I wanted to really distinctly show that relationship between the two to make sure that the two apps corresponded with each other. I followed the Android/Google aesthetic for everything, which was really helpful. And yeah, this is my final restaurant app. Thank you.